All right, it is time for an old-time gospel favorite, one that I played when I was a teenager, one called This Train is Bound for Glory. We're using the alternating pick strum technique on this, and we'll be using three chords, G, C, and D. We jacked the tempo up quite a bit, and it's at 150, so hang on, it's going to get pretty fast. Put my safety goggles on so nobody gets hurt here, and here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and this train is bound for glory, this train. Yep. This train is bound for glory, this train. This train is bound for glory, none gonna ride it but the righteous and holy. This train is bound for glory, this train. This train don't carry no gamblers, this train. This train don't carry no gamblers, this train. This train don't carry no gamblers, no hypocrites, no midnight ramblers. This train is bound for glory, this train. Yeah. Yes, it is, isn't it?